You might saw about a month ago I brought home these two Bolens QT16s. Both of these are family tractors. They used to belong to me. They haven't been running for quite a while. They've been sitting. So the first one here, I just put a battery in it. I know this battery's got a charge. This thing's got some gas in it. Who knows how old it is. We're going to try and start it, see what it does. I don't hear the clutch kicking in. Oh, it turns over. That's a good thing. I don't know how long the thing has gone without running. I always squirt a little ether into it. See if we can get it to fire. This thing is super dirty. Could use a good cleaning. We'll worry about that after we get it running. Ugh. Yeah, it's definitely had moisture in it. Look at that air filter. It's like, I don't know if you can see it. It looks rusty, and it's a paper air filter. This whole bottom in there is nasty. Actually, kind of scared to start it with all that junk in there, but I don't have anything out here to blow it out or anything. Yeah, like the fuel filter looks dry. I don't know if everything just needs primed, like for the pump to pull fuel in there or what. I know the fuel's just nasty. I might end up having to drain it. Yeah, fuel filter's not full of fuel. This thing's got gas in it, but it is nasty. Let me make sure it's not shut off at the bottom. All these hoses are all brittle. The gas is all like yellow. Like it's like nasty yellow.
Okay, you know it's wrong.
So it sounds to me like if we get the fuel problem resolved, clean the carburetor maybe, it might just run. So I think what I need to do is get the fuel up higher so it can actually flow into there. Maybe the fuel pump's dried out. Kind of curious what the oil in this thing looks like. Yeah, doesn't look horrible. I know, so I'm sure that I was probably the last one to change oil in this thing, and that's probably been 5 years ago or so. So I think pulling this tank off, getting it drained, getting this thing some clean gas probably be one of our first things we should do. I feel like if I could get the tank, just put either this tank or a temporary tank and put it up higher so I can get fuel to the carburetor, because right now there's no fuel getting to the carburetor. It might be because that fuel pump is dried out. I feel like if I could get fuel to the carburetor, I could probably get it running. Now we've got to get at least one of these tractors running today. That's what we do. So anyhow, I took off this gas tank off of the QT with the fuel problem. I don't have the supplies out here to replace all the things I'd like to replace right now. So right now I'm just kind of taking a inventory of, you know, what are the things that I think it needs, which I'll go ahead and I'll buy and bring it out here for the next video. but we're still gonna get this thing running. We got to. So the tank's off. The fuel in there is nasty. I'm not draining it out yet because I might try and run it because I don't have a lot better options right now. I'm gonna take. So from the bottom of the tank here, there's a fuel valve plus a little filter. I'm just going to take the hose off of here, disconnect that, and try and pull the hose up so maybe we can get the gas tank up higher. Alright. So I've got the fuel valve attached there. I don't know how well it's attached. I'm going to see on that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's nasty. I'm going to stick this up higher. See if we can reconnect the fuel line, crank it over again. Alright, fuel tank. See if we can connect this line, the fuel hose, without it leaking too horrible. Okay, so that's there. I'm gonna bring this battery back down here, hook it up. So what we're going to see here is if we can use gravity to get fuel down into the carburetor. It's not running down there yet. It's about half choked, so that carb needs cleaned out. It's not running so great, obviously. Remember, this is some really nasty old gas. Who knows, if we get some clean gas in there, it might run a lot better. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean that carb out for sure. The lights work. Yep. I put those on probably 15 years ago. Advanced Auto Parts Special or something. Front ones are lit up too. Got it running. We just need to, we'll replace some stuff like the fuel line, figure out what's going on with the electric clutch, get this thing some new tires. The hydro on these has a distinct sound. I like listening to it. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera or not. This makes me want to pull that trailer off of there so we can get this thing off. Alright, so this is good. We got this one running over here. I didn't bring really any supplies out here other than basic tools today. So what we're going to do is in the next video, I'll bring some more stuff. We'll at least at minimum take this one for a drive for the first time. Hopefully we'll get the other one running too. And if it runs, maybe we'll get it driving as well, assuming it doesn't need anything else. We'll see. Such a pretty day out here today. It's just a nice clear day. The other thing that is normally an issue out here is there's normally a lot of wind. Today's not a windy day. It's been really calm, which is nice. I can actually make a video because I don't have crazy amounts of wind destroying my audio. So we got more to do out here. In there, I got the John Deere A, John Deere B, Ford 2N, Farmall M, and I don't know what happened, but nothing would start today. So we're gonna have some more videos on that, seeing what's going on. Something I had a few people ask me about is, what are you up to in plows now? And you can't really see it, but I got a couple John Deere 2-bottoms back there. Further back, there's a International Harvester 2-bottom rollover plow. And somewhere around here, I got a Minneapolis Moline 3-bottom plow. And maybe some others. Anyhow, I'll do a little tour of that next time. I'll probably come out here again within another couple days and show you guys around. We'll see you next time. I'm Hans. This is Tractor Hoarders. See ya.